Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. There's so much room in this Traverse that those driving the competitors' cars are filled with cargo envy. It's well equipped with the features you need: V6 engine, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, rear park assist, manual telescoping steering column, OnStar remote link, AM/FM Sirius XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, and power heated mirrors. This from Kelley Blue Book, offering the roominess of a traditional SUV but car-like handling and better fuel economy. There's a lot to like about crossover SUVs in general and the Traverse in particular. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.